Members of the International Relations Subcommittee, buoyant after the General Council unanimously gave a thumbs up to the proposal that the country should review its membership of the ICC.
The NGC has just resolved that South Africa should withdraw from the International Court. However, only after we have followed certain processes. One, the reasons and the motivations that we ought to share with the rest of the continent as to why we think the court is no longer fulfilling its mandate.
The International Relations Minister says South Africa will take the issue to the Assembly of State Parties meeting at The Hague in the first quarter of 2016.
We have publicly, through the media, last week informed that we have submitted an agenda item for the review. The Rome statutes are reviewed through the meetings of the ASP.
The ANC says its delegates have lost faith in the International Criminal Court's impartiality and has accused the ICC as being biased against Africa. The decision follows a dispute early this year when South Africa refused to arrest Sudanese President Omar al-Bashir when he attended the AU summit. Al-Bashir is wanted by the ICC for alleged war crimes in Darfur, where the UN estimates more than 300,000 people have been killed. But the withdrawal will not be immediate. The ANC says the implications will still be discussed. Delegates also debated the strained relations between the United States of America and Russia.
I think we were again confirmed to have been correct when we said the big powers or the permanent members themselves put their interests before all of us. For the mere fact that now you have two members of the Security Council in another country confirms that the time is but now to reform.
The ANC says its anti-ICC stance doesn't mean that South Africa's ruling party condones human rights abuses and atrocities in Africa and the rest of the world. The ANC has resolved to back the formation of the African Court of Human Rights, which would deal with those committing atrocities across Africa. Meanwhile, the ruling party says, as a member of the Forum on China-Africa Cooperation, Sudan is entitled to attend the meeting in Johannesburg later this year. Dumalo Mohlaudi, SABC News, ANC NGC Madrid.